Starting around 19 October 2023, torrential slide sort of is exchanging at $8.90 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Avax most certainly has an essentially all-out market cap of $3,159,560,414, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $120,947,948 in an unobtrusive manner. This basically makes torrential slide, Avax, kind of positioning at 22 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide commonly be worth in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner? Is torrential slide a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Will Avax cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, which in a real sense is very critical? These by and large are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, showing that this for the most part makes torrential slide, Avax, genuinely positioning at 22 in the digital currency market in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost in a real sense is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of $14.49, the normal especially least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be $13.85 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $16.26, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avax value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide essentially is determined to be at around an especially least worth of $12.11 in a fundamentally significant manner. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of $13.77, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, showing how Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide generally is gauged to in every way that really matters, be at around an especially least worth of $12.11 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value gauge September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may arrive at a really least worth of $13.14, while the most extreme determined cost truly is around $14.30 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The in every practical sense, normal cost for Avax is generally anticipated to sort of reach $13.65 in September 2023 in a very enormous way. Torrential slide value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $13.29 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of $14.85, with the typical cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, which basically is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of greatest cost for torrential slide could stretch around $15.55, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 in every practical sense is $13.57 with a truly normal cost of $14.20 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost by and large is supposed to basically reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Avax for the December in every practical sense stays around $14.49. Torrential slide certainly passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been in a real sense diminished by 2.9% in its certainly current worth. Further appearance, how torrential slide value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to be at around a very least of $13.29, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Assuming we for the most part think about the really current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential Slide for the most part is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, showing how the fundamentally normal cost for Avax certainly is really anticipated to sort of reach $13.65 in September 2023, or so they basically thought. The Avax fundamentally is down to nearly 3.27% in the essentially most recent 7 days in a huge manner. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of beyond couple of days. The coin could generally have in every practical sense solid basics. However, we don't, all things considered, believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment, which basically is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax sort of diminished by 58.076%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of $12.34 from its truly current worth, so Avax especially has an especially all-out market cap of $3,159,560,414, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $120,947,948, or so they thought. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a genuinely decent truly purchase an open door for certainly fast venture, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change generally is near 49.95%, and the cost in every practical sense flowed from an extremely least genuinely normal cost of $16.54 to kind of greatest exceptionally normal cost of $18.27 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, showing how basically is Torrential Slide a wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner. Torrential Slide especially is somewhere around 26.29%, with the sort of greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, for the most part was around $11.78, and the by and large least exceptionally normal cost of truly was around $11.56 in beyond 4 months, so the normal cost for Avax truly is especially anticipated to reach $13.65 in September 2023. Torrential Slide Value Figure 2023 Facts. What will in every way that really matters be Torrential Slide sort of worth in 2023, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking? The Avax value sort of is gauged to truly arrive at a truly greatest degree of $16.26, with pretty least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023, which truly is very critical. Torrential Slides fundamentally have a future, or so they generally thought. As far as value, Torrential Slide generally has an exceptional in every practical sense potential to by and large arrive at new levels, showing how Torrential Slide Value Figure November 2023. In November 2023, the all things considered greatest cost for Torrential Slide could generally stretch around $15.55, which for the most part is very critical. It in every practical sense is estimate that Avax will increment in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Torrential Slide can sort of stirred things up around town, much the greatest cost of